It's never too soon to make your chicken and chicken and dressing. You don't have to wait until Thanksgiving. I've got some cornbread, chicken, and then I have my stock that has onions, peppers, and celery. I seasoned it with salt, pepper, and sage. I'm just gonna mix this together. I put chicken in my chicken and dressing. We're gonna stir this up. Just mix it real well. This is how we do it in Lavonne's kitchen. Just make some chicken and dressing just for the heck of it, just because you want it. Remember, you don't have to wait for a holiday. And then we're gonna add some extra chicken to it, and then we're gonna bake it in the oven for half an hour on 375 degrees. Just make sure it's mixed up really well. Just show you just how easy this is. I'm gonna smooth this out and add our extra chicken to it. I've got some chicken thighs. We're just gonna add these thighs in there, have some extra chicken. So after cooking for 1/2 hour, this is what we have. Nice chicken and dressing. Look at that, yummy. Thanks for joining me in Lavonne's kitchen.